Hey, Halloween is coming! I'm Bucktool, and our power tools make it easy to make stunning wooden lamps. Check out these creative creations to encourage you to create your own. Choose a suitable wood material, use the Bucktool saw, and cut it into the basic shape of the table lamp. Draw the shape you want for your desk lamp on the wood block to create a unique and fun design. Now, use your benchtop drill press to carve out the eyes, making sure the details are vivid and interesting. Additionally, use a carving knife to carefully carve the nose and earrings to add personality. Next, use a belt sander to sand the surface to make sure it's smooth and burr-free. Finally, assemble the fixtures, paint and decorate your lamp to create a Halloween atmosphere. Now it's your turn. Use Bucktool's tools to make your own Halloween wood lights. Share your design ideas in the comments.